Why I switched to Pop OS full review. Ever felt like your operating system was working against you? I did until I switched to Pop OS. Let's break down why Pop OS became my go-to Linux distro and why it might be yours too. I was juggling creative tools, dev environments, and GPU heavy tasks, and my system kept choking. Ubuntu felt bloated, Windows even worse. I needed something lean, fast, and creator friendly. Pop OS by System 76 isn't just another Ubuntu spin off. It's built for performance, security, and simplicity. With a cosmic desktop that's both beautiful and functional, here's what stood out of this OS. Auto tiling for peak productivity, full disk encryption by default, hybrid graphic support for GPU switching, Flatpak integration for easy app installs, and a recovery partition that's actually useful. Whether I'm editing videos, scripting automation workflows, or testing AI agents, Pop! OS handles it all without breaking a sweat. Java builds are faster, OBS runs smoother, and gaming surprisingly solid. If you're a developer, creator, or just tired of bloated systems, Pop! OS is worth a serious look, especially if you value speed, security, and clean design. Switching OS isn't just a tech decision, it's a workflow upgrade, and for me, Pop! OS delivered no fluff, just performance.